I'm here at the intersection of First Street and Salem Avenue downtown, and over the next couple of months we'll be building a storm drain project. The project includes replacing small pipes with much bigger pipes. That's going to improve drainage in the area and reduce flooding in town. We're also going to be replacing some older water lines with new water lines to try to get those ready for the next 100 years. The plan is to start building about mid-May, so you'll start seeing cones and equipment coming on the site. It's a 5-month project is what we've anticipated. You could say roughly October, November timeframe is when we'll be cleaning up. What actually is happening is we'll be digging up the old pipe and replacing it with much bigger pipe, so there'll be a trench along First Street between Salem and Campbell. There'll be a trench along Salem between 1.5 Street and First Street. They're important because we want to make sure that, that our downtown is a resilient place to live and do business. So when it floods, the water gets in people's businesses and it causes them to shut down. It's a big mess, and so there's economic impacts. And so we're just trying to make it a great place to live, work, learn, and play.